Attention UPSC aspirants, are you ready to conquer the PSIR optional paper? Then join us at Ekam IS Academy and embark on a journey towards success, just like the top achievers who chose PSIR. And the classes are taken by Santosh Rao Sir, who is a distinguished law graduate from Osmania University, having 7 years of teaching experience in polity and international relations. Sir's commitment, dedication and relentless hard work have made him a favorite person among the students. Enrolling in our course of PSIR will provide you with an unparalleled learning experience with 260 plus hours of classroom lectures conducted in 4 months will provide you with a comprehensive coverage of entire syllabus. But that's not all. We believe in the practical approach as well. That is why our course is integrated with daily answer writing practice sessions which will develop the skills necessary to articulate your knowledge effectively. And we understand the importance of personal guidance, which is very crucial towards your success. That is why our expert mentors will provide mentorship and support according to your needs. When I talk about our study material is a treasure of knowledge, including the extracts of 52 plus authored textbooks, including the international journals related to political science. This is just a one-stop solution for all your PSIR notes. PSIR is an best optional to fulfill your dreams of achieving single digit in UPSC. So take the right decision and join Ekam IS Academy and unlock your potential with our comprehensive PSIR optional course. For registrations, you have to call upon the given numbers or fill up the form given below. Thank you. All the best.